Bob, I want to know about chemical combination.
Chemical combination?
Yeah, please explain it for me.
Okay. Friends, take a clean 500 ml beaker. Now to this, with a spatula, add some amount of quicklime, that is calcium oxide. Friends, another reactant we are using here is distilled water. Now take the water bottle and pour some water into the beaker. Now slightly stir the reaction mixture with a glass rod. Friends, now touch the walls of the beaker. It is hot, right? Now take the thermometer and place it in the beaker like this. Observe, friends. The temperature mark is rising its level. The reason for this is quicklime dissolves in water and forms slaked lime.
The things we have observed here is the beaker get warmed and increase the temperature level in thermometer. This is due to the formation of calcium hydroxide, that is slaked lime.